Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet bed cover designs model. A crochet bed cover is a type of bedspread or blanket made using the crochet technique. This involves creating fabrics by interlocking loops of yarn with a crochet hook. Crochet bed covers can range from lightweight decorative covers to heavy, warm blankets depending on the yarn used and the complexity of the pattern. They are often characterized by intricate designs, such as motifs like patterns or textured stitches, making them both functional and decorative pieces for a bed. Here are some tips to making a crochet bed cover. Number 1. Choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that suits your needs. Cotton yarn is great for a lightweight, breathable cover, while wool or acrylic yarns are better for warmth. Number 2. Select an appropriate hook size. Use a crochet hook that matches the yarn width. The recommended hook size is usually provided on the yarn label. Number 3. Plan your design. Decide on the pattern and design. Simple patterns like granny scarves can be easier for beginners, while more intricate like patterns require advanced skill. Number 4. Gauze swatch. Make a gauze swatch to ensure your stitches match the pattern specifications. This helps avoid issues with sizing. Number 5. Measure your bed. Ensure your bed cover is the right size by measuring your bed and adding extra length and width for drop. Number 6. Join motifs seamlessly. If using motifs like squares or hexagons, join them as you go or use an invisible check method to keep the joints neat. Number 7. Consistent tension. Maintain a consistent tension throughout your crochet to ensure an even finish. Number 8. Edging. Add a border or edging to your bed cover for a finished look and to help it lay flat. Number 9. Locking. Once completed, lock your bed cover, stitching and shape it properly. This is especially important for leg patterns. Number 10. Care instructions. Follow the yarn's care instructions for washing and trying to maintain the quality of your bed cover. Number 11. Use stitch markers. Stitch markers can help you keep track of rows, pattern repeats, or specific stitches, especially in complex designs. useful for large bed covers. Number 13. Color choices. Consider using multiple colors or variegated yarns to add interest and complexity to your bed cover. Plan your color scheme in advance to ensure harmony. Number 14. Pattern debates. Be mindful of pattern debates, especially if you are creating a large continuous bed. Ensure that your stitch counts are consistent to avoid mistakes. Number 15. Stitch variations. Incorporate different stitch variations like shell stitches, popcorn stitches, or bubbles to add texture and dimension to your bed cover. Number 16. Shaming techniques. Explore different shaming techniques such as whip stitch, matrix stitch, or slip stitch to find the best method for joining your pieces. Number 17. Ends protection. Consider adding a double edge to prevent fraying and tear. Curved stitch is a popular choice for a sturdy edge. Number 18. Light and ventilation. Work in a well-lit area to reduce eye strain, especially when working with jerk or intricate patterns. Good ventilation helps prevent the yarn from becoming stiff or dusty. Number 19. Regular breaks. Take regular breaks to avoid fatigue and repetitive strain injuries. Stretch your hands and rest periodically.